5:40. That's not PM either. That's AM. Time to get the day going. Sun just coming up. Lucy's out here on patrol somewhere. She's smelling something. Well, maybe them raccoons came back by last night. Yeah, they didn't get anything if they did.
VX, and that comes, of course, from their debut album that did quite well, thank you. Join KIRX, KRXL, and KTUF Radio in saving lives this summer. It's the annual... And the rain came pouring down. Being blind in a storm to my soul. Story just like Jelly Road in a storm.
Oh, look, that's 7:02. That's PM. Yeah, I'm telling you. And I'm just getting ready to cook in the Dutch oven. I'm going to cook me some wild hog in the Dutch oven. It's been a long day, once again. Check it out. Oh yeah, look at the goodness. Don't get any fresher than that. Yeah, camp made the kickstand. The lid lifter, lid holder. Once you lift that lid up, it gives you a place to set it down. It's just an awesome little tool. It really is. It's time to rotate that. It's been about 15-20 minutes. Don't want any hot spots. This will help. I don't know. Can you see the dirt? Tell me. I can. These are dirty legs. And that shower is going to feel so good tonight. But let me tell you, it's been a long day. A typical day. This is a typical Bill Goudy day. Been busy. That's for darn sure. I'm just sitting here waiting for that wild hog to get done. And I got to looking. And yeah, I'm dirty. You know, I realized I made this video and I didn't do a check-in. So I guess I'm checking in. Bill Goudy checking in. better late than never. I'm sitting here waiting for the wild hog to get done, having a second beverage, and I heard one heck of a crash. And there is no breeze. There's no wind. There's no nothing. But I heard a tree fall. There might be just a slight breeze. I mean, but here, look. Barely moving. I mean, it's just barely moving. I don't know what's up with that. I had 1.25 inches of rain in the rain gauge from the last rain we had, which was day before yesterday. So you say, Bill Goudy, where's your hat? Well, look at that hat. That's a new hat. Yeah. I found that this kind of hat, I got this hat from the Kubota guy, the guy I bought the Kubota tractor from, Sinclair Tractors. Yeah, he gave me that for being a good customer. Can you imagine that? Well, I found that putting the earphones on and having the earplugs in works better with this, because I have to turn those earphones down, and I have no support, and then they hang on my ears, and then it affects the earplugs. So by using this hat and then putting the earphones, the earmuffs up, I got support, and it doesn't affect the earplugs as much. Yeah, the vibration of the tractor running and, you know, doing the motion and stuff. Yeah, eventually I have to readjust, but not as much with this hat. So on a hard day, on a hard day's work, I'm wearing this hat. That's the way it is. I'm sorry. I'll tell you more about that other hat. I got it from Bulldog Bill many years ago. That hat has a place in my heart. It sure does. But that's a different story and a different video. Let's check this. It's been about 1.5 hours now. It's time. Oh, look at that. Yeah, it's done. That is good looking. Look at that. Look at the goodness. I'm running out of light. What's unusual about that? Listen, I want you to see the goodness before you can't see it any longer because it'll be too dark. Look. I'm going to call this a hot salad. Yes, this is my cooked vegetables. Yeah, peppers. Yeah, right off my pepper plants. Fresh peppers. That is cabbage. I cooked cabbage in there, and this is the pork, the wild pork. Look at the goodness. Will you just look at that? Oh, I want to thank you for watching. Everything looks so good. Thank you for watching. Bill Goudy out. Lucy's out too. Well, I'm being ornery. This is for those who stick around to the very end. Look at that. That is done perfectly. I can taste the peppers in there. I got some jalapeno, I got some habanero. 1 habanero. Oh, that is so good. Look at here. Can you see that? That is a mushroom. One of my favorites. And I know it's soaked up. It acts like a sponge. Mm-hmm. Oh. Yeah. Definitely. You can taste the heat out of that. Oh man, that is good. That'll make my nose run. Cabbage. Listen, I'm running out of light. I really am. Lucy's sitting over there waiting for a scrap. Thank you for watching. I really do appreciate it. I'm really out this time.